Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sequence. Today we're going to be taking a look about a video how to pick like winning stocks to swing trade using Finviz. Okay, that's will be how the topic of the video. Okay, so this video will not be that long at all. I mean, I will be showing you some um then kind of examples on TradingView too. But first of all, you just want to go on Finviz.com. You know, like if you have been following me, you know that I have been using Finviz for quite a lot of my videos about how to find stocks and all that good stuff. So what you want to do is go on Finviz, go on screener right here, tap in there. Okay, so right now in this video, like what we want to do is may go here, click on all right here, click on all. Okay, so we are going to be using three things. Okay, like kind of three filters that like I really want to use. Okay, first of all will be the relative. No, let's just go with the current volume. But for current volume, what I personally would love to do is just put the current volume right around over. Sometimes I do it over 1 million, over 2 million. Yeah, let's just go and put it on over 2 million. So the story that I want to swing trade, we can also put it over to like 10 million or so. But as you see, right now we cannot see a single stock right here. I don't know why is that. What if you could put it on one? Okay, maybe yeah, it's maybe just because the market is not open yet. Okay, that's basically it. But yeah, I personally like to put it over 5 million, sometimes over two. But let's just go right now and put it over 2 million. And basically right now, like what the second thing that I would do is basically let's just turn that off. Okay, what I personally would love to do is go to relative volume. And for those who do not know what like relative volume is basically just that it is a ratio. Okay, it also is often referred to RVOL. I don't know where you could like basically find it out, but it is derived by a comparing current volume to average volume for the same time of day. Okay, RVOL or the relative volume is the key to understanding the volume flows. It helps you understand if today's trading activity is higher or lower compared to or compared to the its normal trading behavior. So like if the market was open, we could find it out, but okay, the market is still not open. The market is going to open in like 4 minutes. Okay, so we can kind of wait right here. Okay, also a high relative volume like signifies that there is something going on and that the stock is in play today, or it's like the more the money are coming in, there are more shares back and forth. You know what, like I think that you know what I'm saying. And usually high volume is also referred to as a volume spike. So that's it about the actual or the relative volume. Like what I want to do is just put it over five, 3 or 5, but let's just go and put it over 3. And the next thing that I want to do, like personally, that I want to in like putting into these filters is basically just beta. Okay, beta. I just want to put beta over 1, and this also shows if the stock is more volatile. You can just go check, like go and search it up on your like Google account or something like that. But yeah, that's what basically it means. Okay, so I typically want to put it on beta. Then um right now, the market is going to open in 3 minutes, so I will kind of wait. Let's see what will be happening at the start of the market. Okay, so yeah, but for you, it will be like basically 1 second, and it will be right around now. Okay, guys, so the market just opened yet. I mean, if you go to MMATS, you can see we now have a new candle on 23rd of August right here. Okay, so the market just opened yet. This is just, for example, MMAT. It's not like it does not have to make any sense right here, but these are just the filters that I pretty much like. I'm like making this video pretty early. Okay, and that's what I'm about to say is that we cannot find stock over 2 million that the current volume is like we're only 1 minute into the market. But I will leave this up to you, and I just will like pretty much wanted to explain what beta means. Okay, so if you want to click on beta in the stock market, you can go beta is a measure of stock's volatility in relation to the overall market. By definition, the market, such as the S&P 500 index, has a beta of 1. Okay, and individual stocks are ranked according to how much they divide from the market. If a stock moves less than the market, the stock beta is less than 1. Okay, so we really want the stocks to be like a volatile. That's it for the beta. Also, we want the relative volume. We already explained that. And right here, you can pretty much go with even over 10 million, but there is like certain amount of stocks that you can basically find that there are over 10 million, but the person like to use two or five. So yeah, for example, you go with two, and that's about it for today's video. So let me know what are your thoughts about it. I could have made video about how I'm like going over some stocks that you can basically day trade, but this is just a screener, okay? So let me know what are your thoughts. Peace out and have a great day for the rest.